are watching indianewstamil.com.
One, two. Very good morning. Good morning. Vanakkam. How are you ladies doing? Good. Excellent. I love the energy. I've met some of you, the rest I will throughout the process. I would like to thank Ms. Chennai as well as the main sponsor behind it for inviting us and giving us an opportunity to absorb some of that lovely energy that you are all emitting. Being Sunday doesn't mean we cannot have fun. And this is what it's all about. So the Masterclass is pretty much how this cooking relates to life or one's living itself. I'm very passionate about that. Actually, first thing I should say, we should not talk about what we're good in and not. But I can comfortably say that I'm very passionate about food, cooking process itself. And I'm I'm not that very good public speaker, so please don't mistake me if I slip up or... Now, very simple point. There are a couple of things that we all do. When we wake up, we brush our teeth, right? Same goes when it comes to cooking. That is the essence. Hygiene, transparency, ingredients, love that you put in. With that little touch that I saw all of you looking into your condiments, how we're gonna put it on, how we're gonna finish it up and all that. That is love. My mission is to help at least Chennai, because there's some family roots in your country. That is why Amishan was showing both flags that I have. One that I come from and the one where I am right now. Which is to, and that is, I believe, the basics. We honor where you are, being who you are. So that also relates to your life itself. That's how cooking comes into the picture as well. This is a lovely event that should empower women, have you socialize, and bring that fun, creativity, and everything that you can have on Sunday. So what I meant to say is, when I came to India long back, it was a completely on a different note. And eventually I said to myself, along with my partner, we wanted to not just do what we love, what we're passionate about, but to bring something that is much needed, not in India, all over the world, even in Japan and Australia, so to speak, leading countries with the culture, with the ability or ability to use equipment or services itself. So it comes down to being open, transparent, using the best we can by putting that love in. So what we have is not just a business. What we have is an open kitchen, fully open and transparent kitchen where you can see what the team is doing at any point in time, which is part of that education. So it's beyond business. There is a deeper cause, or it's rooted much deeper to connect to that business itself. Same way as people who have this setup believe. Same what Mishan, David, and the rest of the team are trying to do and connect here. So all in all, it comes down to what you ladies are doing today, which is Italians would go mad if you were to say bruschetta. That is, so to speak, a lighter, more slang version of bruschetta. Bruschette. Some people say crostino, crostini. That is plural singular in Italian. So the difference is very subtle in terms of set size, thickness, angle under which it's cut. That is a classical take on that same dish or appetizer, so to speak. But that's not the point. The point is to bring out that fun, energy, creativity to the surface, so tomorrow you can actually, today you can all enjoy, taste, and tomorrow you can host and entertain by picking up lovely ideas from your fellow cooking ladies.
Friends.
Yes. So, simply put, classical take on a bruschetta, a couple of components, should I say three, for the better part. One is the base itself, then you have filling, and then garnish. Italians are known to have very simple food, and that will be classical take on it. Nowadays, we are adding on to it, improving it, putting a twist to it. Why is it simple, Italian food? Because at that time they didn't have much. So a couple of ingredients would do enough and go a long way. Nowadays we have ability to source pretty much anything, and we can play with that. I prefer the simple is the better. Less is more, so to speak. But at the same time, I'm looking forward to seeing that twist, your twist in regional terms when it comes to Italian classics. So I am here to wish you all the best.
Thank you.
I love the energy. Please don't lose the smile and enjoy the process because it's supposed to be fun. But I'm available. Any doubts, questions, I'll be happy to answer, but I will not help you.
So I'd like to invite Mrs. Mallika Badrinath to give you guys a small.
Thank you. First of all, good morning to all of you.
Hi, your fans, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
You all are inspiration for
All
cooking.
your inspiration.
Inspiration of cooking, that's it.
Yeah, okay, good. So generally, when we come for competition, we learn a lot, you know. Each and every one of us learn from others, okay? But what we expect is Here, what you are going to cook, can you just tell the name?
Bruschetta.
But I want you to pronounce correctly.
Bruschetta.
The H is silent. Bruschetta is the correct. Okay. So when we come to a competition, we should know the small things, because in India we don't know the pronunciation. What is there in other countries? Certain words are silent. I have seen lots of people. For jalapenos, they'll be, the J is silent, they'll be calling jalapenos. So it's all, once you want to know a particular dish, we should try to understand the origin of that and how it was formed and how it was named and all those things. There's a lovely book, encyclopedia I'm having. So generally it gives lots of information. But I can give you more, but this is not the time, And I think you all know when you are using a bread, when you are giving that display, the bread should be crisp. And when the topping, it shouldn't soak into that. And I think they are giving option as fusion also. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We expect all those things. And the display should be neat. First important is for the taste. Taste, display and innovation. Your own innovation here. I think one is authentic recipe, another one is your own fusion. Okay, and I think you have all understood that. Yeah. Okay. Wish you all the best. Okay. After tasting, I will tell how it is.
தொடர்ந்து ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் மிஸ்ஸஸ் சென்னை போட்டிக்கு நான் ஜட்ஜாக வந்துட்டுருக்கேன் சமையல் கலை போட்டிக்கு. இந்த போட்டி பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் ரொம்ப டஃப்பாக தான் இருக்குது. அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சேலஞ்சிங் ரவுண்ட்ஸாக தான் இருக்குது. இந்த வருஷம் பார்த்திங்கன்னா இட்டாலியன் டிஷ்ஷை பிரிஸ்கெட்டா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு டிஷ்ஷை செய்ய போகிறாங்க. அதுலேயே கொஞ்சம் இன்னோவேஷன் அவங்க ஃபியூஷன் மாதிரி செஞ்சு அதையும் செஞ்சு காமிக்க போகிறாங்க. இங்கே ஆன் த ஸ்பாட் இங்கே பாஷ் ஷோரூமில் இருக்கோம். இங்கே அவனில் வச்சு அதை பேக் பண்ணி கொடுக்க போகிறாங்க. நான் ரொம்ப த்ரில்டாக இருக்கேன் அதை டேஸ்ட் பார்க்குறதுக்கு. வெஜிடேரியனாக தான் இன்றைக்கி எல்லாமே செய்கிறாங்க. எல்லோரும் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டடாக இருக்காங்க. யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப ஆர்வத்தோடு இங்கே நடக்கிற வேலையெல்லாம் பார்க்குறப்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. தொடர்ந்து ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் இந்த காம்படிஷனில் இவங்க எல்லாம் வின் பண்ணுறவங்க பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு டேலண்ட்லேயும் அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறதா இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ரவுண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதில் ஒரு ரவுண்ட் சமையல் கலை போட்டி. மற்றபடி பார்த்திங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற அதாவது கல்யாணம் ஆனதுக்கு பிறகும் அவங்க இன்னும் பல கலைகளில் தேர்ந்து அதுலேயும் வெளிப்படுத்தணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஆர்வத்தோடு நடந்துகிட்ருக்கிற இது ரொம்ப வருஷமாக நடந்துகிட்ருக்கிற இந்த மிஸ்ஸஸ் சென்னைக்கு தொடர்ந்து நானும் பல வருஷங்களாக வர்றது எனக்கு மிக மிக சந்தோஷம். இங்கே இந்த போட்டி ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது.
I'm so happy and honored to be invited to be a part of this lovely event, Mrs. Chennai, which is supposed to empower women and beyond that make it fun, creative and social all the way. It's a lovely energy, smell is spreading and taking over this lovely place. What else can one ask for on a lazy Sunday afternoon? Thank you.
My name is Nishant Shah and I am a Vice President at AdGear Media Private Limited. We are very proud this year to be conducting Supreme Living Presents Mrs. Chennai 2018. Bosch is a part of Supreme Living Nungambakam and they have very kindly given us their premises to conduct our Culinary Queen contest, which is a cooking round. We have Chef Bogdan Maksimovic and Chef Mallika Badrinath here as judges. Mrs. Chennai is like a platform for married women to come and participate and showcase their talents. We've designed it in such a way that women who don't usually get a chance to do this on a daily basis, they have a chance to come and participate in a professional and incredibly industrial setup. So thank you so much, and we appreciate any feedback we get about this. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe to IndiaNewsTamil.com.